Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best electric sewing machine on AliExpress 2025. We made the list based on around OpenAI, Recharge, and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Number 5. Singer Electric Sewing Machine. The Singer heavy-duty sewing machine is a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced sewists alike. With 97 stitch applications, it offers versatility for various projects. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability, while the powerful motor allows for smooth stitching through thick fabrics like denim and canvas. The included accessory kit is a great bonus, making setup easy. Simple to use and reliable, this machine is perfect for beginners looking for a durable and efficient sewing companion. Highly recommended. Number 4. XMSJ Electric Sewing Machine. The XMSJ Electric Woven Bag Sewing Machine is a powerful and portable tool designed for industrial packaging. With a 2200 mAh lithium battery, it offers cordless convenience while ensuring strong and reliable stitches on fabric bags, leather, and woven materials. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while its high-speed operation boosts efficiency. Ideal for sealing bags in warehouses, farms, and workshops, this machine is a great choice for professionals needing durability and mobility. A must-have for heavy-duty packaging tasks. Number 3. POOLIN EOC 990 Electric Sewing Machine. The POOLIN EOC 990 is a fantastic beginner-friendly mechanical sewing machine with multiple stitch options for home use. Its easy-to-use design makes it perfect for newcomers, while the sturdy build ensures durability. The smooth operation and adjustable settings allow for versatile sewing, from basic repairs to creative projects. With its compact size and user-friendly controls, it's an excellent choice for hobbyists and learners. A great value for those seeking a reliable and multifunctional sewing machine at home. Number 2. BRETHA Electric Sewing Machine. The BRETHA electric sewing machine is a fully automatic, high-speed industrial-grade machine designed for household use. With its 220V power supply and computerized controls, it delivers precise stitching and effortless operation. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, it offers multiple stitch patterns, smooth fabric handling, and durable performance. The high-speed motor ensures efficiency, making it perfect for large sewing projects. Its modern design and user-friendly interface make it a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and advanced sewing machine. Number 1. DDL 8700H Electric Sewing Machine. The DDL 8700H industrial sewing machine is a high-speed lock-stitch machine built for heavy-duty performance. Perfect for industrial environments, it offers precise straight stitching with exceptional speed, making it ideal for mass production. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the high-speed lock enhances efficiency in various fabric types. With easy-to-use controls, this machine provides excellent stitching quality for professional use, offering a fast, reliable solution for factories, workshops, and high-volume sewing needs.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.